I eventually got the Echo hedge trimmer done. I found out what the problem was, and it was very simple. I'll show you in a minute what it was, but I'll start up and let you see it running. There it is, it's running. Running quite well now. It's a lot. Still seems to die down a little bit on the rest, but it does keep running now. So I am going to get a new tank kit for it, the pipe kit, because I'm not sure. It's still leaking a little bit around the grommet, so I'm going to get a new grommet and some new pipes. It seems to keep running. I've cut a hedge out the front with it, and it seems to be running okay. So as you can see, it's not running too bad. Yeah, hopefully you can see this clear enough because it's a bit dark in here, but this was my problem. I was using this gasket on the Chinese carburettor, and that hole there, well, I have a hole, but there's only, that sort of should go straight onto a hole in the carburettor. Well, the hole in the carburettor was about there, so it wasn't breathing or whatever it was meant to be doing. And then I found the gasket that come with the carburettor, and that had a hole there, another hole there, and another hole there. So I had like 3 holes for different carburettors. And after I changed that, it ran loads and loads better. So all it was all along was me using this wrong gasket. The gasket matches up with the original carb, but not with the Chinese one I bought. So that was my problem. Simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed the Echo videos. And what I should probably do is I'll mingle it in with one of my sort of work videos. I'll take it to a job and I'll film it cutting a hedge on a job. So thanks for watching this little series of repair videos on the Echo. I'll be along with some more videos soon. So thanks for watching.